Affalterbach in Swabia, Germany, is a place for car enthusiasts. Nowhere is there a greater concentration of dream cars than here on Daimlerstraße. Here at Mercedes-AMG, sporty, high-performance cars are developed. The showroom is the gateway to the AMG world. Where AMG's automotive highlights are on display. Where customers can take delivery of their car. Or simply find out more about the AMG brand. Customers can also visit the AMG private lounge Affalterbach during their stay. This customer lounge is a meeting point for the growing worldwide AMG community. A place for communication, but also for contemplation for customers. In the AMG Design Center, automotive dreams are developed and dynamic performance is translated into sporty designs. It starts with a collection of ideas, with sketches and drawings. These are developed using three-dimensional CAD, computer-aided design, then visualized on the power wall and discussed with executives and also selected customers. In the design hall, the first prototype of the new car is presented. This is a part of the vehicle development process which takes several years. Approximately 800 engineers work at Mercedes-AMG, developing these high-performance vehicles. Engine and vehicle components such as gearboxes, brakes, steering and suspension systems. All components are developed by AMG independently, in parallel with the Mercedes-Benz serial models. The function and interdependence of the various parts are first tested virtually, and technical solutions are developed by a team to resolve any issues. In the engine development workshop, a prototype of the new engine is assembled. After a successful assembly of the engine, it is then connected up for a test run. Here on modern test stands, the newly developed engines are tested according to strict Mercedes-Benz standards, whereby different test situations and extreme conditions are simulated. The functionality of an engine is tested for up to 800 hours until it is deemed ready to go into production. Here too, engines already in production are tested. When all the parts for the new car have been developed and manufactured, the construction of the top-secret prototype begins. The latest measuring technology is required to achieve precise functioning of all the components. After numerous test drives, newly developed vehicles start their endurance test. Worldwide and under extreme conditions. Only then is the model ready for production. The engine production is a highlight for every visitor, along with a gallery displaying every engine that has ever been built in the history of the company. The engines, the core component of an AMG vehicle, are assembled by hand, according to the principle one man, one engine. The mechanic moves with his engine through a line of assembly stations. The engine parts are fitted by hand. All the parts are scanned and entered into the AMG trace system. In this way, the production process for each engine is documented. The mechanic pays special attention to the smooth running of crankshaft, conrod, and piston. At the end of the production line, the engine plate is attached. The mechanic guarantees the quality of his work with his signature on the engine plate. Before the delivery, all engines are cold tested on the test stand. Here in the AMG Performance Studio, individual cars are produced in close cooperation with the customers. For example, the Black Series models with the Aero package, or the safety and medical cars for Formula One and DTM. Vehicles are individualized according to customers' wishes. In the sample room at the AMG Performance Studio, customers can get information about possible materials. Mercedes-AMG in Affalterbach, Germany. Here, more than 1,000 dedicated employees develop intelligent driving concepts and innovative vehicles. Top-level technology is the basis of their success. Driving performance is what motivates them, what they demand of themselves, and their ultimate goal.